You've probably heard the claim that masturbation prevents prostate cancer. Is it true, or is it just another reason to justify overstimulation and compulsive sexual habits? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, and in this video, I'm going to share some information that might help you think about this moving forward. Okay, so the idea that masturbation prevents prostate cancer comes from a 2004 study out of Australia. This is what it said, is that men who ejaculated more than 21 times a month had a slightly reduced risk of prostate cancer. That sounds pretty convincing, right? Well, let's break it down. First, that was a correlational study, which means that it shows an association, not proof. Second, it did not isolate masturbation. It included all forms of ejaculation, whether that was sex, healthy intimacy, or solo activity. Third, the reduction in cancer risk was marginal and likely connected to other health habits that those men had. So no, that study did not say masturbate every day to prevent prostate cancer. That's how the internet twisted it. Let's talk about what the study didn't cover. It didn't ask men where the ejaculation came from, what activity. This is very important because we know that when you ejaculate, coupled with pornography, the effects on your brain and your system are very different. Frequent masturbation with porn floods your brain with dopamine. So this means that it decreases function of the prefrontal cortex, it overexcites the reward center, it makes it so that impulse control is more difficult, and it can even lead to erectile dysfunction. It even creates a compulsive feedback loop that goes like this: release, guilt, numbness, repeat. That's not healthy. That is a major red flag for addiction. Here's what I want you to be very aware of. Obviously, your prostate is part of your body, but many people lose sight of the fact that your brain runs your entire body, plus your mind. Let's walk through that for a second. Every erection, every orgasm starts in your brain. It signals to the body. It works like this. Arousal happens in the brain, and then it sends that message down your spinal column, down to the nerves moving towards your sexual organ. It increases blood flow. It stimulates the body. Your brain tells your muscles, your blood vessels, your nerves, it is time. But what if you're overstimulating your brain consistently with porn? Maybe it's something like this: multiple tabs open, endless scrolling, new scenes and scenarios, novelty. Maybe it's even more extreme content. Day after day, you're flooding your brain and your nervous system with dopamine, the molecule of motivation, more, and pleasure. And you know what it's doing. It's motivating you back for more. But in doing so, it's causing something called desensitization. This means that your brain will need more dopamine to feel as good as you did before. Your system was never designed to handle that type of intensity. So when this happens, that neural signal that goes from your brain to your body, that tells your body it's time to get aroused with your partner, it stops working. It gets weak. It might not even fire at all. That's why so many people who stay in this pattern can't even finish. Not with a partner, not with porn, not at all. You're not chasing a release. The reality is, you're setting your brain up to not be able to be aroused unless it has the highest level stimulation. And eventually, overstimulation won't even work. Okay, so yes, maybe you're protecting one organ, but that's debatable. What's not debatable is that you're creating high levels of dysfunction in the organ that runs the entire sex system. It's the very system that makes sex possible. That's not healthy. That's dysfunction. The real solution? Take care of your brain and your body. Ejaculation in the context of real intimacy, well, that facilitates regulation. It facilitates healthy balance in hormones. It keeps your brain and your body strong. And yes, even prostate health. But compulsive release to artificial content is not the same. It's harmful. That's what nobody wants to say out loud. But my friend, it's the truth. Most men know it in their heart. I don't even have to say it. Don't let the pseudoscience and half-truths keep you stuck. Go over to drtrishleigh.com, download my free guide, Pleasure Pathways Reset. You can learn how to reset the pathways in your brain and your life. This way you can keep your prostate strong while you're also building connection, keeping your brain health at the forefront, and creating the life that you want. I've got the tools, training, and support to help you break free for good. So let's be honest. Did you used to believe that whole prostate script? Drop it in the comments for me. Let's break the myth together. This is just one of many myths about masturbation. In the next video, I break down the top 10 masturbation myths. So click the video that's coming on the screen now so we can dive in deeper. Check it out. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you. I'll see you next time.